Hello everyone, welcome back to my another speaking video. So dear people, first of all take my warmest welcome and here it is, congratulations, and I hope that you all are so much happy in this time, and I'm also so much delighted for being here because this time I'm going to share with you one as precious moment of me. Yes, undoubtedly as precious moment of me because this time I'm sitting near to my mom. Yes, and she is so much busy with her creative work, whatever you can see. Yes, dear, and she is going to make wonderful things, and it's called naro. And this naro is made from koi. I don't know you are familiarized with this koi or not, but we are familiarized with koi so much. Actually, this naro, this flower size naro made from koi powder, yes, and is mixed with gourd. And after mixing with gourd, this powder of koi, instantly my mom going to give a design. Yes, and this design is like a flower design. Whatever you are going to watch. Okay, so dear people, and this time is looking so wonderful pretty because this time I'm sitting beside my mom for watching this creative work. And my mom is so hardworking person and so much creative, and every mom of the world are so creative and hardworking to his to her child's. Yes, and my mom is not exceptional, but she is my paradise, and her each of works are just tremendous. And you know what, if while ago when my mom are going to start to give this design, instantly I wanted a permission to my mom. Mom, if you give me permission, then I'm going to give my concentration on speaking with you about this flower cut narrow. Then instantly my mom provide me permission. Why not, dear? Just start to make a speaking video for your development. And since time I have lived, provide me permission and my heart lives with your essence of time. And finally I have accomplished this speaking video this time. So dear people, how you feeling right now after watching this speaking video, and moreover after watching this creative work of my mom? I don't know actually how you're feeling, but I'm feeling so great because I love each of work of my mom, and she is my paradise, and her all items are so delicious and yummy, and it's not so exceptional. And now and those three of this flower design cut narrow is already accomplished, and now you can see here three another, and now one add, and that means here four flower cut narrow, and he is looking so wonderful. And few times later I'm going to take this narrow. So dear people, if you like it, you take this narrow, just come at my side instantly. Okay, waiting for your attention, and many thanks for your kind attention till the end. Is undoubtedly great lack of me. So thank you so much. See you later very soon with my another work. Just waiting for my coming back.